Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll explore two simple and efficient methods for copying a formula down a column in Excel. The first method is ideal for smaller data sets, while the second is more suitable for larger tables, especially when you need to quickly replicate the formula across many rows. Ready to get started? Hi there, I'm Joanne, and on behalf of the Sheet Leveler, welcome to Sheet Leveler. Our mission is to help you use Excel easily and effectively through our concise video tutorials. Let's dive into the first method for copying a formula down a column in Excel. For smaller data tables, a great method to copy a formula is by using the drag feature. Let's say we want to replicate the formula from cell G3 to the rows below it to calculate the total for each salesman. In this situation, dragging the formula from G3 to the other rows is the most effective approach. First, click on the cell with the formula, which is G3 in this case. Next, position the cursor over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a small black plus sign. Now, click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the cursor down through all the rows in the table where you want the formula to be copied. And that's it. The formula is now copied for all entries, providing us with the total sales for each salesman. Now, let's switch to another spreadsheet and explore a different method for copying formulas in Excel. This technique is ideal for larger data tables, particularly when you need to quickly replicate a formula across many entries. We'll demonstrate how to use a double click to copy a formula down a column. First, we click on the cell that contains the formula we wish to copy, which will again be G3. Next, we place the cursor over the bottom right corner of the cell until we see the black plus sign. Here's where the key action comes in. Perform a double click with the left mouse button, and the formula will automatically fill all the rows in the column. This method allows you to copy a formula to tens, hundreds, or even thousands of rows at once, making it more efficient than the drag and hold method. Both techniques work well for small and large data tables, so the choice is yours. Which method do you think you'll use more frequently for copying a formula down a column, dragging or double-clicking? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share in the comments section below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.